I've been riding both the Burchda R5 Pro and the Magician Alpha. If someone said I could only keep one, I already know which one I'd choose. They're both great bikes, but after riding them both, I noticed some differences that don't show up on the spec sheets. Here's what I've learned. Let's start with comfort, because that was one of the biggest surprises for me. One thing I really like is that the Alpha has more of a cruiser feel. I'm sitting in a more upright position, so there's less strain on my back. And for me, it's much more comfortable on longer rides. On the R5, I can't really explain it, but after longer rides, my elbows start to bother me. I think it's from the pressure of the slightly leaning forward position that it puts me in. That doesn't mean it's uncomfortable. It just fits me differently. Another big difference is confidence. My Alpha is the step-through model, and it's simply easier for me to get on and off. That gives me a lot more confidence when I'm taking off or coming to a stop. Now, don't get me wrong, the R5 is a great bike. It's powerful, it's fun, and it feels a little more sporty. If you're looking for that kind of ride, you may actually prefer it. But after spending time with both bikes, I realized I naturally reach for the Alpha more often. It's more comfortable for the way I ride. I like the upright seating position, and the step-through frame gives me more confidence every time I get on the bike. So if I could only keep one, I'd keep the Magician Alpha. That doesn't mean it's the best bike for everyone, but for me, it's the one that fits the way I ride. If you're trying to decide between these two bikes, I hope this comparison made that decision a little easier. If you have any questions about either one, leave them in the comments and I'll do my best to answer them.